92% of internet stations fail to do the one thing that actually brings life to online radio. Question is your station a fail? Well, you could be if you are not opening those request lines and putting callers on the air. What? No request line? Well, don't worry. I have got your phone-free solution to getting listener voices on your air.
We are on the air.
I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and without listener voices, your station is really just another soulless jukebox in the cloud. Playlist on shuffle, nothing special. But the second you drop in a caller, even a short one, boom, suddenly your station feels alive, unpredictable, and yes, fun. Triple X 80s. Hey there, I'm Jammin' Jeff Scott, and what you doing?
Like out here in the field and...
You're just out in the field?
Yeah.
Is your boyfriend looking to pick ticks off you later?
What?
Oh, well, we got the tick-picking soundtrack right here on Triple X 80s. Listeners lean in when they hear people just like them on air because it's really the last thing they're expecting from online radio where, you know, the bar is actually this low. And to raise that bar, you don't even need real callers. This is one of my favorite topics because I built my entire career around listener interaction. From Los Angeles to syndicated radio, phoners were a staple of my show. They were really my secret sauce. And you know, they still are, because during the last couple of years of my FM career, I saved every phone call that came in, over 1,000 MP3 files that I still use on my all 80s juggernaut, triplexx80s.com. Triple X 80s. Hey there, I am Jammin' Jeff Scott.
You know, we had a hard time finding your phone number.
If you ever have that problem, just head into any truck stop. It's usually scratched in one of the restroom stalls. For extreme 80s fun, call Triple X 80s. So how do you build these magic moments without a request line? Well, step one, you start with good scripts. A solid AI prompt will spit out a list of quick, fun caller lines. You know, requests, shout-outs, DJ zingers, just short reactions. Step two, we're bringing those lines to life with AI voices. Tools like ElevenLabs or Gemini let you turn text into speech or even clone your own delivery if you're not digging how the bots are reading your scripts. Now, the key is to keep them short, 2 to 8 seconds tops.
Hey, Jeff, what's your most embarrassing first date?
And as always, you must prioritize finding the most natural sounding voice. And you really have to play with the settings to make sure the read is believable too.
What the heck are you talking about?
The great thing about generating voices inside of Google AI Studio is it's free. So go nuts. They've got 30 voices to choose from. And I definitely recommend you hit these different scripts with a lot of vocal variety. You don't want the same caller every time. So experiment with 20 different voices.
I was having the worst day until you played that.
And with these type of caller scripts, you really want to jack up the temperature setting because you want an expressive sound. But just play with this until your ears start digging what they're hearing.
Jeff, my sister loves your show so much, she moved 3 states away.
Then you hit them with the right EQ to make them sound like Granny's old landline. But I get it. You totally want this, but you don't got time for any of this. Futzing around with EQ curves, writing clever scripts. That is why I built the brand new AI Phoner Pack. Inside this thing, you're going to get 6 Audacity macros that one-click your AI voices into the perfect phoner.
I was having the worst day until you played that.
I've got 6 different phone sounds for you to choose from. And because you need good words to feed the voice bots, I'm also loading you up with 5 AI prompts that spit out fun, natural-sounding caller scripts. We're talking about shout-outs, some reactions, dedications, some DJ zingers. All you do is copy, paste, and boom, your fake request lines are full. The link is right down there in the description. Grab it and you'll see just how easy it is to add some much-needed life to your station.
All right. That's great.
Okay, so now you have a caller bank. How do you drop them in? Oh my goodness, this is the easy and fun part. Whether you're voice tracking or rocking a live mic, just sprinkle in some quick reactions during your rap. I'm talking 2 to 3 seconds here or there. Triple X80s with me, Jammin' Jeff Scott, and I want to let you know you are in a judgment-free zone. So slide on your MC Hammer pants, pull on that Punky Brewster t-shirt, and let your 80s freak flag fly.
All right. That's great.
It's Triple X80s. You can use mini requests as setups, dedications for slower hours.
This one goes out to my husband, Mike, who promised to do the dishes an hour ago.
DJ Zinger insults for pattern interrupts.
Jeff, thank you. Listening to you reminded me I need to order more earplugs.
Now, don't dump them all at once. You want to rotate them evenly. Keep it unpredictable. And the more it sounds like real callers, the more your real listeners will want to jump in. Triple X80s, this is Jammin' Jeff Scott.
I listen to you all the time.
You're not calling me from a mental institution, are you?
No, calling you from the car.
Because I get a lot of calls from the sanitarium.
They want you to come join them.
Triple X80s. I love it when the listener is actually funnier than the DJ. Another favorite use of AI voices is for station promos. I especially dig the multi-voice format.
I'm Julie from New York.
It's Mike from San Diego.
Hi, it's Tina from London.
The 80s are my jam.
I love this music.
My favorite station.
Love, love, love it.
Triple X80s.
And you want to make it easy. Get them excited to record their own dedication or fun message on your station's website. You can use a free service like SpeakPipe to wire up a WordPress site in like less than 10 minutes. The AI callers act as social proof. People like me actually listen and call this station? Oh my goodness, I want to be like them. FM stations down the block? Well, yeah, of course they've got real request lines, but many are lazy. They barely use them. You? Haha, you could prime the pump with AI. Make your station sound live and just buzzing. Then eventually you could swap in real calls as they come in. And that's what makes you sound bigger, sharper, and honestly, more fun than even the big guys. And definitely more fun than every other online station. Triple X80s. My name is Jammin' Jeff Scott, and Cindy, do you welcome the healing power of the 80s into your life?
I claim it. Give it to me.
Hallelujah. Yes, sweet mama. Turn up Triple X80s. So if it's not abundantly clear by now, don't be another lifeless jukebox. Add listener voices, even fake ones at first. And my AI phoner pack gives you the phone sound. It gives you the scripts and all the tools you need to make this happen. Do it, and suddenly your station's going to sound more alive than it ever has. It's going to sound authentic and just unstoppable. That link is in the description. Thank you so much if you pick it up. I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and I'm going to the phone lines, looking for caller number 10 right now. You get the opportunity to hit like and subscribe, and most important, keep rocking those mics all over the world.